Hi, I'm Pat Pollitt from Dynamic Diamond Tooling. I've had a lot of customers ask us about how to deal with really hard concrete or concrete that has cure seals on it. So what we've come up with is we've developed a product called Easy Cut. Easy Cut's a product that's going to help your diamonds stay cool and lubricated so they stay open, so you can grind faster and more efficiently. What it's going to do on cure seals, it's going to stop the cure seals also from heating up, melting, building up on the face of the diamond. There again, keeping the diamond open, keeping it cutting, making you more efficient. Easy Cut can be applied at either a 1-to-1 all the way up to a 4-to-1 ratio, depending on how hard the concrete you're working on or how thick the cure seals that you're trying to remove. The way Easy Cut is applied is by using a pump-up sprayer like this one here. What you do is you spray down Easy Cut directly in front of the grinder. You don't want to get out too far in front of it because you don't want it to suck into the concrete and leave the floor too dry. The idea is to leave a thin layer of it on top of the concrete, once again acting as a lubricant, keeping those diamonds cool so they stay open, keeping you more efficient, keep you cutting harder. The idea is to grind over the top of the floor where when the machine has gone over the floor, you're not leaving slurry. You're still using a vacuum, so you're still able to pick that dust up. Again, just to make you faster, more efficient, give us a try. Thanks so much.